All right, we're gonna talk about some do's and don'ts of washing before we get into actual washing. So the first thing is don't do what I'm about to do, which is wash it when it's sunny out. My car's covered in clear bra and it's, we're gonna wash it right away, and we've done this a bunch of times. But typically you don't wanna wash while the panels are warm. You don't wanna wash in the sun. So try to do it early in the morning or late at night. It's still cool out at least. The sun is out, but the panels are still cool. So try not to wash it in the sun, and especially for the products like the bug off that we talked about earlier, the wheel and tire cleaner, the tar remover, you don't want that stuff drying in the sun. So if you have to wash a vehicle in the sun because you don't have another option or you don't have shade, what you want to try to do is like one panel at a time. We don't want to rub really hard on the paint. So remember, every time you touch your paint, your car's paint, is a chance you scratch it. Now we have clear bra, and we're gonna talk how to wash clear bra separately. So I can rub this, but if this is raw or untreated, unprotected paint, and you go like this, you'll scratch it, even with your fingertips, because if there's a slight bit of dirt on, you're gonna scratch it off, okay? The glass is also gonna be important. If you're cleaning the inside of your glass and it's super bright and sunny, you always wanna try to clean your glass not facing the sun. I have clear bra in my car. You might on yours if you're watching this video. And the edges are kind of sensitive, and clear bra itself is sensitive. So you got to be careful with the degree tip that you're at. You don't want to get too close, because you can actually cut the PPF with a 0 degree tip or similar on a pressure washer. And you also don't want to come from an angle which could lift the edge. And it's the same reason we don't want to go through the car wash, because we don't know what chemicals they're using. We don't know how close to the edge they're getting. So it's not good for you whether you have clear bra or otherwise to go to the car wash. But for a pressure washer especially, you want to keep it about 30 inches or 3 feet or so away from the vehicle to prevent lifting. Another thing too is if you're cleaning and maybe you set the towel and you drop the towel on the ground, this towel is no longer usable. It's not usable. It goes straight to the dirty bin. We have our dirty bin separate for towels. And we carry a ton of towels in our shop for that reason. I mean, it happens, it falls on the ground, but the moment that falls on the ground, it's contaminated, don't use it. So when you're looking at buying towels and mitts, and it's usually not good enough to just buy one of each, because inevitably you'll drop it, and then if you drop it and it's your only one, what do? You either have to go try to rinse it off, but we don't like to do that. So have multiple options in case you drop something.